Hi there, I just bought a USB-C port hub. This is from the company HODO on Amazon. I needed to extend the port on my MacBook Pro with the M1 chip because it only have two USB ports on the side here. So I needed more ports. I decided to pick this up and I've been using it and I'm totally satisfied with it. So you just take it, you just put it on the side of the computer in the two ports, and now it's integrated with the computer. You see, pretty practical, nothing dangling out. And then I have a USB key here. Okay, I'm going to put a hard drive. So you have three USB ports, USB 3, and you've got the Thunderbolt 3 port, so you can charge your Mac. Just put this in here, and you've got a HDMI port, so you can have an external monitor. It does 4K. I don't have a 4K monitor, I have a 2K monitor, and it works fine with it. And you have the SD and micro SD card reader on the side here. So all my needs are fulfilled with that hub, and this one is for one of my clients because I do installation, and again I bought it and I tested it for a week. Now I'm going to bring it to my client. So that was the package. Totally satisfied, great price, great port, well-made product. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, just a quick little review of my HODO USB-C hub. You'll see that it's got two plugs there. And what's that going to fit into? Well, it fits into a MacBook Pro, so that's just right for me. Fits in perfectly, if I can put that in like that. That's it, nice and easy. And when it goes in, a little light lights up telling you that the connection's good. And you'll notice the colour of it is very much like the MacBook, not exact, but good enough. And as well, that the feel of it has the same kind of aluminium feel as the MacBook, so it's lovely and tactile. Fits in really neatly. I do have another one of these which is cabled into one of the USB-Cs, and I must say on the desk it's just nicer to have it nice and snug in the MacBook Pro. If I turn it around, you can see the kind of connections it's got. You can see the light there, as I mentioned. The first one on the left, that's the lightning port, power and data transfer through that. You've got some USBs, the SD, and right at the end, which I think is really nice because it's like the HDMI comes out the back of your device, is that HDMI sat there. So all in all, I'd say a nice, neat device, really, especially in these times of working from home and lots of peripherals. It's got exactly the number that I need, and as I said, it's just nice and tidy.
Yeah, just a quick review of this USB-C port hub. It's exactly as described in the product description. You get all these various ports, and it's a USB-C connector, and I plugged it into my computer, and you know, it does what it's supposed to do. So there's really not much to say about this. You know, you can. I usually use it for a TF card, so that's what I got it for mainly, is a TF card slot, and you can put the micro in or the full size one. It's very lightweight. It's like a aluminum chassis, but it's like super lightweight, so easy to carry around, throw in a bag with you, and so forth. So no complaints. It works as it should, and happy with it.